Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at the 3 pillars to affiliate marketing. Guys, without these 3 pillars, I wouldn't know where to start, what to do, how to work. But it is possible with 30 minutes a day to actually make affiliate marketing part of your side hustle or part of your extra income, $500,000 per month. If you want to get started, this is possible. So let's go and cover those 3 pillars specifically within this video. I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you guys some more. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name, as I said before, is David Pinto, and we are going to be talking about a lot of important information, but also interesting information. It's a Wednesday. I post videos 3 times a week, guys. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I wanted to get that out of the way specifically because I post 3 times a week to document my journey with affiliate marketing. Now, I do have a full-time job and I work on this on the side, so it is definitely doable for you. I want to use the platform of YouTube to be able to just document my entire process, my entire journey. This is the formula that I follow. It has the 3 pillars of affiliate marketing within it. If you're interested to actually get the essential skill sets that is involved, then I'm going to leave the link to the course in the description of this video, which you can follow along. But today, guys, I wanted to get into the information right away and share with you what a training that I made for myself to set up the foundations and having the skill sets be a part of you. So let's go ahead and actually jump onto the screen, share the slideshow. I'm doing this with you guys so that we get the best out of the content. So how do you set up the 3 pillars for your affiliate marketing success? Let me go ahead and talk about my past a little bit, guys. The biggest mistake that I made when I first failed online, I'm going to be covering that today. Why do skills help you fix a good foundation? And this is something that's crucial. Without these pillars, I wouldn't be able to really do anything on the side. I wouldn't know what direction to go, and how you can learn the foundations within just 30 minutes a day. That's what we're going to be covering here. Okay, so I'm going to share with you everything within this video. Let's go ahead. That's just a picture of me, but guys, by the way, a few years back, but I think it was in Czech Republic. But anyways, I wanted to get that out there. So the biggest mistake that I personally made in the 6 years when I got started online, where I made a lot of failures, guys. Yes, I failed for 6 years. I don't want you to be in that same situation where you're wasting so much time. I didn't see it as a waste. I saw it as a learning opportunity. But not everybody's in the same mindset, right? Not everybody can survive for 6 years failing, and then finally being able to make that first commission online, that first sale online, that first adrenaline rush, I would say, of knowing that it is possible to work for yourself if you put in the work and the efforts. The first mistake that I made is I joined companies that are not compliant and had long term and were not long term. Okay, not compliant and long term. These were the main 2 things. In the beginning, I thought that I needed to join a company. Why? Because it wasn't an employee mindset I was in to be able to actually then reap the rewards that that company is functioning. I'm giving my trust to that company to work and build an income for myself, even though I'm the affiliate, right? I'm doing something. So first and foremost, I took companies out of the picture. I don't work with companies anymore. I work with products and services that make sense for me to share. So yes, I'm affiliated, let's say, with those companies that do have a service, but I'm building me, I'm building my brand. I'm not building the company up. I'm just solving the problem which somebody has, let's say my audience has, by sharing that service with them. Not fixing a mixture of, not like literally not having. So the second thing is not having a mixture of residual and instant commissions. This was affected my income levels to another degree, guys, and I'm not joking when I say this. Why? Because first and foremost, the way I look at residual or recurring income or monthly income compared to instant commissions, I thought there were pros and cons to both, and one was better than the other, but that's not the case, right? Even if you have a right mixture, you're able to function and grow your business having tools, let's say services, software. Now, for example, I use a software to have my entire sales process, right? I can use this software and leverage it in with working with local business owners or sharing them with other affiliates. And then that becomes a recurring income if they do become and stay paid members. Other than that, I do have low ticket offers that I make instant commissions off. So I have instant commissions coming in. There's a cash flow that's coming in. And at the same time, I'm building a monthly recurring income where I put in the work once and over time it grows and compounds for itself. So having this mixture is very important. I did not have this mixture. I thought that it was just one or the other. Because I didn't have these pillars, guys, I was so confused for 6 years, really. Not having a fixed plan and a business model. This was crucial. I was shooting in the sky and thinking that something will work eventually for me if I do it for a longer amount of time. I'm a stubborn guy, so I was fixed on actually doing things and not stopping until I actually made some effort or made a change. But at the end of the day, I just needed a plan and a business model to follow to be able to then continuously work my and grow my skill sets. So these were the mistakes that I made. Why personally for me, I then sat down and said, you know what, affiliate marketing is the best business model for me. One of the reasons why is that it's a proven business model. You have affiliates all over the world with all different kinds of products. If you want having, actual physical products, if you want to have a service that you have to offer, if you want to give a bank offers as well, there are affiliates all over the place. This is not an uncommon feature and is actually quite a powerful marketing method and aspect to a business to have. It shouldn't be the main one, but it is definitely one of the reasons why a lot of businesses move ahead organically and grow organically. And at the same time, if they want to stop that affiliate marketing, let's say your traditional brick and mortar business, if they want to stop that affiliate marketing side, they can. But use an affiliate, you can go off on and promote something else. I personally focus on digital products because it gives the most leverage or time that I can leverage to get the most income coming in as a flow. So that's why personally I use the proven business model of affiliate marketing. Tools that promote a business that you can use on a daily basis. This is another reason why I personally like it. So for example, if I'm growing my channel, TubeBuddy is a tool that I use to get better SEO, to improve my YouTube ratings, everything else. I'm using this tool on a daily basis. It's teaching me methods of marketing. It's giving me insight. And I can recommend this tool to other people. If somebody goes to a paid plan on TubeBuddy, then I'm an affiliate. I'm getting a commission from it. So it's a tool for your business that you can use. There is a lot of options out there. You learn to earn while you're taking action. This is so crucial because, like I said, a lot of people don't have the patience to wait for 6 years before they make a results, right? This way, you're earning and learning at the same time. You have the foundations for the long term. And at the end of the day, the three main pillars that you need with affiliate marketing or with any kind of marketing for that matter is one, advertising, because you need the right flow of people who are looking at your offers, like having a shop in the middle of the town. You're getting people coming in randomly as well, right? So advertising is very crucial. And the world exists with advertising. Having a solid automated sales process, or even if it's not automated in the beginning, having a sales process. And then the third thing is copy. More than copywriting, I would say copy, specifically because you can use copy in your advertising, you can use copy in your sales process, you can use copy in your email and building a relationship with your customers, with your affiliates, with your members, whatever direction you go about, that is possible. Also, lastly, I just want to add to a bonus. I believe that affiliate marketing can be done in two phases. One is you being an affiliate for another product or service, and then actually going on to having your own products that you're then imparting on others, whether it's a software, whether it is your own digital products, whatever it is. But that is the second step of the journey, in my opinion. So that being said, how can you get started? What is the way that you can get started with affiliate marketing? So the way that I personally did it is I built a funnel for myself. I built a whole sales process as I showed you guys before, and I did this. But at the end of the day, we need the essential skill sets, which is knowing how to advertise, whether it's a free advertising method, whether it's a paid advertising method. I personally use paid advertising. I leverage a low ticket offer to be able to get 100 leads every day, get commissions on that, and then invest those earnings into paid advertising to be able to scale up. That's personally my process. And or you can use free advertising as well. That's absolutely fine. That's organic advertising as well. And then the second essential skill set is copy. So I have created a very simple course that I have acted on in the last year of 2023 using, and it's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. You find the link in the description. And this course basically, guys, goes through the essential strategies. You can use it as is, or you can take what your learnings from it and then apply it to whatever you have to offer. I honestly don't mind. it just costs €1. The reason why it costs such a low amount, and I'm saying it very openly to you guys, is because I didn't create this course for me. I created it because I believe that these essential skill sets are for the public. This is something that you need to apply. You need to get your hands dirty. It focuses on minimum upfront costs. Literally, it costs me $30 every single month to maintain, which is nothing at the end of the day. And it takes me 30 minutes a day to function. So this is how I set it up. And then obviously solving the problem of advertising, and you learn how to improve your copy. Improving your copy is one of the most underrated skill sets that people do not speak about because it is focused on conversions. So remember when I said that your advertising, your sales process, and your copy is all important in within the structure itself. So having these three pillars, copy is where your conversions happen, where you create the most income. You can have the same amount of advertising coming in every single month, but if you don't focus on your copy, then that's not going to improve, right? So solving advertising and learning to improve that copywriting is super, super crucial. And then lastly, you have consistency and patience for the next for at least 12 months. That's the dedication that I personally have. I follow the strategy for exactly 12 months. Before it was giving me $100 every single month. Now it's giving me $500 every single month. These are realistic numbers. These are my results. I cannot guarantee you those results, but it is doable. So if you like this video, if you like the way I teach, the information that I'm giving, then feel free to click the link in the description, as well as you will get an absolutely free funnel from me. You'll have absolutely free funnel within the course itself, and that is using a software that is completely free to get started with. So minimum upfront cost. That's what I want to give you. Guys, you can find the link in the description if this is interesting for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And at the same time, I would love for you guys to stay focused. Let me know, comment below whatever you're interested on, and I will definitely put them in the structure. I focus on 3 videos every single week. Today is a Wednesday. Usually I talk about tech on a Wednesday, but today I wanted to make this video because it's the end of the month and I wanted to have a very clear, concise video of what you can achieve. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.